All right, so when you have a controller that shows offline, it looks something like this. Your name probably will be in the upper left-hand corner, but you'll see your controller and it says offline right there. So when you click that, just click on Reconnect to Wi-Fi. It's gonna load up. Now you need to be near the power supply for this to work. And you'll see this pop up. It shows you how, it should be full bars if you're right next to it. So click on whatever yours shows. Yours may say Gem, last name, whatever. So click on it. I always like to use Advanced Sync. So then you click Advanced Sync. It's gonna put the Wi-Fi information that your phone is connected to right now. In this case, like there's the password. Just make sure your password is correct, otherwise it'll fail every time. And then just hit next. And so now it's gonna say, go to connect. You're gonna look for Smart Life. So click, go to connect. It's gonna bring up your Wi-Fi. And in the networks here, it's gonna show the option we're looking for here. It's just not coming up, so we're gonna pretend like we're closing it and reopen it. It'll refresh the networks. Smart Life 5440D. Yours will say something Smart Life whatever. It'll say different numbers in that. Click on that. Once it's connected, just go back into Gemstones, and then it's gonna connect. And keep your phone where it is. Make sure your phone screen doesn't lock or go black. Don't close out of the app. Don't go into any other apps. And this happened real quick. It loaded 100%. Now we're all back up. As you can see, we're back online. All the settings are still saved, and we can now control our lights as expected.